Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you top 5 ways you can earn money online in 2022 and also in Nigeria. So before we get right into the video, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon is going to pop up on the screen so you can get notified whenever I create new content like this one. So welcome back. Right now I'm going to be counting down the top 5 ways you can easily earn money online in Nigeria in 2022. I'm going to be counting down right from the 5th bottom to the number 1. So let's get right into it without wasting most of your time. So I'm going to be counting it down and I'm also going to be explaining a bit about them. So let's go. I'll put it down in a piece of paper here. So I'm just going to start reading out to you. And then the number 5 I'm going to be talking about is sell digital art. What I mean by sell digital art, online these days you can easily sell art like wall decors and posters of the house by just easily doing it with a print-on-demand website like PRINTIFY or Shopify. So you need to check that out. I'm going to be leaving a link below to PRINTFUL or Shopify, and I'm also going to be dropping a link below for a video on how you can create your own wall decor without having to draw anything. You just have to find a picture online and then you just have to put it on there on print on demand, and then boom, you can sell your art for any amount you like. So I'm going to be leaving a link for a video on how you can go about that and start to sell your own art online. So let's go to the number 2. Sorry to say I said number 2. The number 4 on the countdown. The number 5 is sell digital art, while the number 4 is start a print-on-demand business. Wow, this is a very great one that many people have already heard about, and it's very popular these days, but you have to go ways about it. You can start a print-on-demand on your own by having your own machine at home, or you can start a print-on-demand with a website like PRINTIFY or PRINTFUL or Teespring. There are so many more websites like that. I'm gonna put a couple link below for those websites, so you can just go on the website and then have your design, and then you can place it on the shirt like this one I'm wearing. You can see the design. You just have to have it on your system, like a art scripture art you make work on your phone or something. So you can just place it on the shirt, and then the company is just going to be responsible for placing it and providing the t-shirt to your customer, and all you just have to do is just add your profits to it, and then they get their money and you also get your profit. Boom, you can start making money through that means online, and it's a very easy way to go. If you want me to make a video about how to go about that, you can leave a comment in the section so I can know and work on researches on show you how you can go about that. So I'm going to be going to the number 3. The number 3 is invest on mobile app. What do I mean by invest? So now we're on the number 3, and then what is in the number 3 section, which is invest on mobile app. Investing on mobile app simply means like you trying to meet up with all these new mobile apps on the Play Store, like investing your money in them. You have to meet with the company personally, or you can just go on website like Fiverr or Freelancer and get a freelancer to build an app for you and put on the Play Store and get it promoted, so you can start earning money with that. And then with all that, you have to spend a lot of money. And then me myself, I'm a freelancer working on a mobile app and mobile games. So I already have my games on Play Store but not yet on Apple Store. You might be really wanting to invest your money and don't really know how to go about it. You can try a way to contact me. I'll put a link for my contact in the description, so you can invest your money and then you can get your money back when the app start making money. The app is already made and already placed on the Play Store with ads, and it's ready to start making money for you. All you just have to do is invest. And then let me go straight to the number 2. The number 2 is actually what I'm doing right now. Start a YouTube channel. What do I mean by start a YouTube channel? This is a YouTube channel. Everybody know what a YouTube channel is. If you don't know what a YouTube channel is a place you can post a couple of videos for any reasons, depending on the niche you are. You might decide you might be a rapper and want a place to put your rapping freestyle and stuff, so you can get audience to watch it, and then you can still earn money by doing affiliate marketing with it, and also earn money straight to your account from Google Ads when you are eligible for that plan. So YouTube is a very and good way to make money online. And then if you have not started, I would advise you to start right now. Or if you don't know how to go about starting it, you can also contact me. I'm ready to take you one-on-one class on how you can get started and you can start earning online. So let's go to the number one, the last one on the list today. I'm not gonna be saying much about it because I already know a lot about it, and also it's very popular right now and is going viral like crazy. People are making millions of dollars through it, which is what is it? Do you know? What did you think is it? I'm asking the question. If you think you know what it is, you can put it down in the section below before I say it, and then I'm going to be saying it in a couple of seconds right now. And then the number one is become an NFT artist. What is NFT? Many people keep hearing the word NFT online. Many people keep coming across NFT advertisement on their mobile app when they are browsing through the internet. But right now I'm going to be explaining what NFT means to you. NFT is a non-fungible token. It's like a blockchain linking to the crypto, and then it helps you store value assets like music, video, and then it can also be a picture. And then it make it worth a lot more than you expected. And then I've also created a video on how you can create your own NFT for free. I'm going to be leaving a link to it in the description, and also it's going to be popping up on the card up there, so you can go watch the video on how you can create your own NFT. All you have to do is start creating your own NFT, and then you can sell online for free, and then you earn money from it. And that's a very good way, an amazing way to earn money online in the year 2022 and years to come, because the NFT is really going viral and going to another level. I think you should start creating yours right now. If you think you don't know how to go about it, or you need help on how to create your NFT, you can watch the video I link in this description, and also it's gonna keep pumping up here, so you can get to watch it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed before, subscribe now and share with your friend. Drop a like button for me and rate this video. Tell me what you think, and also tell me if you have any other questions in the comment section. You can put it there. I'm 100% here to answer to it. Thank you so much for watching.